Using the Ethernet cable, connect the Wi-Fi service tool to the ESP Plus controller. Turn on the service tool. The unit may take a few minutes to fully boot up. To connect to the Wi-Fi service tool, click the wireless connection icon on your computer or the Wi-Fi network settings on a smartphone. It will open up a list of available networks. Select the KE2 Wi-Fi ST wireless network as shown and connect. Once connected to the device, launch the browser of your preference. Enter one of the addresses shown on the screen into the address bar of the browser and press Enter. You'll see a list of connected controllers. Click on the ESP Plus controller you just connected. The ESP Plus controller homepage should be displayed. If you want to make any changes to passwords or unit settings, you must first log into the dashboard. Enter the username and password for this controller. For more information and support materials, visit our ESP support page on the KeepRite website at k-rp.com/ESP.